Simon's cat down nearly 10% on the day. What the heck is going on with this fan favorite crypto meme coin, and will it rebound from here? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about Simon's cat, a meme coin project that's been garnering a lot of attention as of late, and some pretty cool things are going on. And today we're going to be talking about what's going on with the price, why it's dumping, whether you should buy a bag. But a very quick overview if you're not familiar. Welcome to Simon's cat official meme page. One cat, billions of followers. Let the others fight, but the true OGs know BNB chain is where it all began. So basically a massive cat themed token based off the Simon's Cat's books, which have been very popular, and it's also endorsed by Floki, which is again one of the biggest meme coins in the meme coin space, who says dogs and cats scam for friend, sharing a little video or resharing Simon Cat's video. There's a massive cosign. We're not going to really go into tokenomics on that. That's a quick recap. Also, can't forget to show this. They are live on 13 plus exchanges, so they are everywhere. Now, this project is dumping. Let's go ahead and take a look and a deep dive on what's going on with the project, whether or not you should buy, sell, or dump. We can see overall crypto market down today, down 2.7%. We're seeing red across the boards as well. Fear and greed index currently at 36. Simon Cat trending at the #1 spot, but down 9.91%. What the heck is going on here? We get a closer picture, and we see it's actually down 4.2% on the 24 hours, so it looks like it's been recovering a little bit. On the week, we are up a whopping 18%, and the month, we're up a whopping 139%. Now, the question comes, is it a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity? We're going to go all into that, but because we're talking about buying, I want to take a second to highlight Pepe Unchained, a presale project that's been going absolutely crazy, guys, and I have a feeling the presale is ending very soon, so you may want to load up. Now, I'll tell you why this project is awesome, and we'll go back to Simon's Cat. The reason why it's awesome, it's a Pepe-style meme coin, but bringing its own blockchain. It's also offering a massive reward of 153% AP. It's going to have instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fees, and higher volume capacity. It's actually 100x faster than ETH. This project has raised over $13.5 million in the pre-sale alone, and the next 10 hours they're having their price hike. So if you like pre-sale projects, you like Pepe coin, you like meme coins, you're going to absolutely love this one. I'm going to link this in the description below where you can take a closer look and load up if you want to grab a bag. But back to Simon's Cat. What the heck is going on with this token? So we see Simon's Cat token, one cat, billions of followers, and we can see just some posting 15 hours ago. Good things take time, but good things do come. Cat season will take over every place. Again, the cat season necessarily hasn't started yet. And time of recording this, they are down on the day about 9%, right? And we can see they're posting. Also, this is pretty massive as well. Ready for this? 2 new perps coming for BitMEX today, Floki and Cat. So it's pretty massive. Cat is now listed on Australia's biggest centralized exchange. Cat season lives on. So CoinSpot looks like one of the biggest exchanges in Australia has now listed Cat. BitBuy, 1,000 Cat USDT. So trading competition is live for Simon's Cat meme coin. Trade perpendicular contracts and win from a 20,000 USDT price pool. So it's absolutely massive. We recently announced a winner of a second part of the Meme Heroes program for Simon's Cat. So again, lots of bullish news around this project. We're only anticipating very soon that this is going to pop off. This project has been allocated $50,000 as part of our commitment to support meme coins ecosystem on the BNB chain. That's absolutely massive. In terms of overall crypto, guys, we're seeing Coinbase trending on Twitter as well, which is great. We need global adoption, especially with elections around the corner, guys. We're anticipating crypto to start pumping again. Once we start getting these pumps, it's only then we are going to see some crazy things happening for the future of these projects. We see Baby Doge is now live on Binance Perpendicular Markets. That's pretty cool. CZ Binance is releasing September 29th. So these are all good news for the overall crypto market. Bitcoin will replace gold. Breaking news, Bitcoinomist predicts a $1 trillion Bitcoin ETF inflow 2025. These are all bullish news for the meme coin market. Now, the reason I mentioned that is as we see the markets pump, we are going to see cryptos pump as well. We see as well, so cats in Ohio might have 1 life left, but the cat definitely has 9 lives. And then we could, looks like a post from Trump that we're not even going to in today's video. This is into another project, and we go and refresh the chart, and we can see what's going on. We are up, or we basically made up for a lot of the gains that we were down earlier today just by people buying that dip. So again, goes to show you gotta be fast when we do see these corrections. Especially look at the volatility the past 24 hours. It's been pretty volatile. On the week, we are up. So again, anytime it goes in the red, may be a potential opportunity to buy in a bag, right? We can see since it's been listed on CoinMarketCap, it's been having a nice up trajectory flow. Again, usually at this point, we do see a pullback, so it was kind of of normal to see pullback, but community sentiment is very bullish for this project. And again, at the end of the day, it's all about community. If the community is bullish on a project, that's what we're going to see. That's what we're going to see make a project pump or dump, right? We see Simon's Cat has been pumping aggressively, which is great. And then over on the website, we can see it's been available in so many different markets, websites, exchanges. So that's absolutely massive as well to see that this project is literally on 13 different exchanges and potentially going to get a Binance exchange listing very soon. And the reason why I say that for the Binance listing specifically is because they won their Binance contest, and it is on Binance, right? We can see it was right up the tweet right over here. Sorry, right over here. Yeah, right here. Okay, so LP support winner. So this is on BNB chain. We recently announced the winner of our second part of the Meme Heroes program. This project has been allocated $50,000 as part of our commitment to support meme coins on the BNB Eagle chain system. So if they're giving them money and they see this project has what it takes and they do end up listing them on Binance, it's gonna be absolutely massive for this project. And we're looking at the chart again. On the 1 month, we are up some crazy, or on the all time, we're up some crazy tremendous numbers. On the week, we're up 20%. And on the day, we're up 1.5%. When literally earlier today we were down 4%. At one point we're down nearly 10%. And even though the market's been quite poopy, this cat is trending number one, right? We can see dogs are number 3, cat coin number 1, and it has such a long way to grow. Less than a $300 million market cap. So that $215 million market cap, we can easily see Simon's Cat hit $1 billion market cap and potentially even higher. But remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And also let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna be loading up on Pepe Unchained. As guys, again, remember, it raised over almost $14 million in pre-sale alone. I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. I'm gonna link this in the description below. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.